sure. Yeah.
Welcome, girls. What is this thing? It's like a... What is it? A pig? Piggy? What else is there? $1 for larges, 50 cents for smalls, it says. I don't know. Alright, there's a free bin down there too, bud. Right there. Jetty. What are you seeing?
It's Lucy.
What? Oh, that's cool.
I'm taking that.
Okay. Hershey Park thing? Why, Jetson?
It's just a stand. It's not a drawer. Actually, you know what we should do is put one of these breakable things.
Wrap that around there.
Ma'am, I'm gonna put your coffee mug in this bag. Okay. And then your
Let me see that.
other break.
What's this? Oh, skull candies. Those are cool.
She owes 5. What? And wait, is this yours or is this?
No, my purse.
Okay, so
I'm flying her out of the door.
okay, so thank you. 3? I said that.
Did you see the Yeti beer cruiser thing there?
Oh, that's a cool one.
It says pizza shop on it, but
Well, I know they are.
yeah.
A separate.
Look at this.
Pizza to go. More than just a pizza shop. What is that?
I think it's like for Halloween, like big organs and stuff.
Yeah. Makes sense.
I don't know what her tally is.
I wrote down the 5 words.
I did.
Oh, McDonald's Hot Wheels cups?
Did you want
Where
these?
they're from? Yeah, sure. 2024. What? Yeah, we'll get this. That's good enough.
It's good though.
No, I don't think that is. We're good. It's alright.
It's like big organs.
I didn't see a price on that. It must have maybe it fell off. I don't know.
Oh, good.
DS case?
That or sector 2.
No DS in it though. Home Alone, first thing. Alright. I guess. Divergent.
I already have that. I have the whole thing.
Yeah, I've seen that. It's a D-Max.
That's why I'm not.
Probably should have got that other one, but it's alright.
And you got breakables in there, so.
Go Smokies. Sure. I don't know what it charges though. Cheers. Give us some money when she checks out.
Hi.
Oops, sorry.
Personal warmer over there. Yes, and honestly, he is keeping me warm.
Let's do $1.
Clarinet.
The hands are so cold. Things are like sticking together. Oh, $1. Actually, 50 cents.
7, 8.
No, less.
What?
50 cents less. I missed that.
Right, so
Okay.
50 back. Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. I stay warm out here.
All done?
Hi, we are.
Krista. Krista. What's your name? Hello. Hey, that hat.
What's your place on?
I think I had 1. I'll take 2.
change. Here's a XM radio stereo. The bass side anyways. $5 for a full box. $1,000. Got that in there too. I'll take your box of stuff there.
Take the box and a bag included.
Oh, the bag too?
Yep.
Okay. You do that. Also over here. Nice saddlebags. Yeah, they're pretty cool. It's fine. Probably not anything I would use, but heart battery, I mean, that kind of stuff. Anything you want?
I'm good.
No? Okay.
You seen that too? I figured you'd be able
Yeah,
to.
old Craftsman. You have change for a 20?
Yeah.
You want to carry this? I'll carry the box.
That's really neat.
Hmm.
It's pretty.
They're attached. The
Oh, it's
bottom's
like locked
copper
in here,
looking.
yeah.
Right, it is copper, I guess. Trade you.
There you go.
Alright, thank you. The what? Oh, they're getting wet. Hi there.
Hi.
You get some of those. Anybody's belly's been rumbling. It opens? Must. It's on the table. What's fine there? Oh, that's funny.
Do $1 together? Sure. Oh, no, that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Oh, I don't keep on.
Where's that? Through boots. Yeah, this isn't by sale with the cups. In the same place.
Mommy, can I look at the
Oh, they're for my graduates. I gotta write in.
Jocelyn, camera check.
I've been wearing that thing all day.
Yes.
I didn't see it.
See, nobody even notices.
I'm sure Nate was stuff.
Nate did. He wanted to ask. He wanted to ask so bad. Yeah, he was there.
I'm going the long way. I'm going the
I
long
don't care if
way.
anybody knows or not. Watch our channel. Subscribe. Like and subscribe, right, Jocelyn?
Don't say that.
Boo! It's a beagle. Sound like a beagle or a basset. Oh, it's a Spider-Man mask and stuff, Jenny.
Yep, I know.
Undead guy.
This is Eagles, right?
Oh, these things. Yeah. The band.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, the guy with the beard here. What's that?
This strap was the Eagles full. Julie, look at this. That's down something.
Into the garage, where the other stuff is.
Oh,
Jetson, what are you doing?
no kids. She doesn't need that.
No, she doesn't.
Oh, why was he talking to you?
Better be nice. What's this? Master Chief. Yes. Morning. Nine the house.
Dude, they found some cool stuff up on the deck.
Yeah?
Really cool.
Granny's apples.
Where is he? Where
And
is
we
he?
bought those 4 bubble ones for 50 cents.
It's fine.
This is cute. Okay, it says Wicked Lodge. It's like from Boston?
Huh.
Probably. That's what I'm assuming.
Yeah, Wicked Large. That's funny. It gotta be from there. Huh.
Yeah.
You want to be that clean? You want that?
Huh?
You can get your stuff off a little easier. Okay. There you go. Pair of marrows on the table up here. Have to clean them up good. Where's your coat? Yeah, this guy here.
We pay you?
Yes.
Okay. Would you do 2 on your cup?
Yes.
Okay. $1.50. Did you do $1 on that one?
Yes.
Okay, so that's
4, 5,
well, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4. Yep.
Yep. Is that good?
Yep.
Okay.
Sounds good.
We just put the donation in the box over there. Thank you. Yep.
Better be. More screen mask in there, bud?
What?
Any more masks in here?
Straight through.
Any more masks?
No.
It's down
They
here.
found a screen in there?
Anything in there?
Nope.
Yeah, I did. Nope, there is too, see?
2?
There's a werewolf one.
I'm looking for a speaker so I can.
Do you need a wig? What's this thing? You need a wig, Justin? No? What are you looking for? Speakers?
I'm looking for headphone speakers so that I can talk to people on the Switch.
I don't think this is the like, old one, but it's still pretty cool though.
Whatever it's called.
It's Easter Unlimited though. Bert and Ernie. That's funny.
I haven't been doing stuff, guys.
Jersey right there. Keep looking for Jersey, can't find it. I feel like I keep forgetting what you're wearing, I think. Everlasting comfort. What's that thing? Humidifier maybe? Not real sure. Books. Book set there. Zion Chronicle.
It's kind of cool.
I just gave Judson all my Star Wars stickers. They're on his bed. He's like, Mommy, thank you. Honey, those were for you. Dynasty.
Crazy.
Oh, I can't hardly do the thing when you drive.
Oh, man.
My legs are killing me.
Oh.
Anything you want? Nope. Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Oh, I thought you had to give it to them. You too, thank you.
You guys hit a lot of sales or been a lot of...
We just came from Nisbet actually.
Oh,
we were over
yeah,
there.
how was
There
that?
wasn't very many this year.
No.
It was kind of slow. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
think the rain kind of got people worried too. But
right, yeah.
It hasn't
I
been
saw
that
Liberty.
bad.
Did Liberty have theirs today too?
Yeah,
or
they're doing
something?
like a spring one now.
Yeah.
They did last year, I guess.
I saw
We
it.
didn't even know that until
No.
last week. I think we seen it,
Yeah. So.
which seemed kind of weird. We're like, well, they'd just wait and do it all at once.
Right, yeah. Well, it's good
Yeah.
to see you guys.
Yeah, you too.
I'll see if there's anything.
You're fine, babe.
Having what? She was looking at some records. Is that it?
Oh, there's records.
Because he's so good outside.
That's cool. Your Beatles ones? Is that what I heard?
I actually think they do that.
Nice. That'd be cool.
They do.
There was a record player at that last sale. Yeah.
Bundle them up.
It seems like everybody's getting rid of them now.
My sun porch would be great for him.
You guys are getting into it.
Listen, this
Like homing wrestling.
you come over, you could set him up in a bed on the sun porch and see how he does.
You'd like that.
You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's cool.
Bingo, bingo.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, this one's a llama. I didn't even see that one. That's funny.
I think it. Is it mine or yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
Oh, wait, George. We take those?
It was either Jersey one on SAT study guide. Look how thick they are.
Probably if I take
It's a medium.
Might not have to.
might give it to her. She bought it from.
You get Beatles.
If you say that one more time, I don't want to hear it.
not mine. It's either yours or Liv's.
Magical Mystery Tour. That's cool.
Well, I kind of like Liv being at 50 cents. Is she still at 50? Oh, damn it. Put the $1 under her because I think she bought it from the thrift store.
Mark, that's the
Fine.
show on Apple that I want to watch.
Oh, really?
Nicole
Okay.
Kidman's in
That
it.
sounds familiar.
Yeah, Nicole Kidman's in it.
That's a good one.
I read that. Yes, it is.
Yeah, okay.
Did you see the show yet?
No.
It's on Apple TV. It just came out.
Well, I don't have Apple TV, but I know someone who does, so I
There
can
you
definitely
go.
steal that password.
They have a lot of good shows on there. It's got like Nicole Kidman, a couple, like a guy from Park and Rec back in the day.
I love Parks and Rec.
Yeah, that was a good one. I can't remember his name. He was on like We're the Millers. I think he was on that movie. played like an FBI guy or something with a camper.
I have 2 world.
I can't remember his name.
Friends puzzle.
And this is my
Oh, Justy liked
I
that.
thought we were for a birthday.
Yeah, that's not open, so the
No?
pieces are
Oh, okay.
definitely there.
Perfect.
I ended up with 3 of those in my lifetime.
Yeah, we put stuff away for you guys all
So I
year.
decided to just do one.
Our daughter just
I hide
not
it.
her. She's
I hide it
watched
all.
all the Friends.
You guys never
I never
knew.
watched it. He
We
did.
share a room though, so
I
I
watch
was like
all
on the
Friends.
bottom bunk. I'm like watching
Oh,
half of it. I'm like, why are they doing this? She got so mad at me for asking questions.
Yeah, but,
You're ready then.
ready?
but you know what?
Yeah, I'm the one that asks questions too.
You
and then I
gotta.
get told to shut up. Watch it or don't.
I'm so happy to hear the new generations are watching through Friends. That makes me happy.
Watched it.
You need to watch through it.
A graphic puzzle.
It didn't age well in some areas, but that's okay.
1075.
Okay.
We have to find a new show.
Did you been to many? Here?
We actually
You
had
been
a friend
to,
the
or-
day, so he never
I feel like I
watched
kind of
it.
get
So maybe
lost,
we
and
are
I'm like, wait, I
Yeah.
did that one.
Yeah, we just did that the other place. We
We
went
had
to
like
this.
a post.
They got like weird dead end streets in Nisbet, so it's kind of.
Where is that?
Oh, Dexter's like my
You get to the
favorite.
bridge at the red light, just go straight that way, and then you turn left. It's not real far, maybe 15, 20-minute ride.
I saw that on there. I never been there before.
No?
No.
Yeah.
Like a dog. He was like a
But
dog
yeah,
with a
I'm in
bell.
Right, right?
I think it's gonna start to rain a little bit.
Oh,
Yeah, it might start.
like just 10.
I'm surprised it held off this far.
75 back.
I wasn't
Oh,
gonna come down
So I
because
had
of,
50 more cents. So I'll be
Okay.
like,
Because
You
of
asking
that,
me, and I was
and
like,
then
wow.
I'll
the
venture
extra
down.
dollars.
because it was
Yeah.
10.
Yeah, might as well.
1025 is what you said,
Still
right?
can't get the
Yeah.
kids to come with you, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank
No.
you for being
Uh,
honest.
you're welcome.
No.
We went alone yesterday. We went down to.
See how I got this one?
I'm trying to think where we went now.
Sure.
I can't remember. New Columbia. We went down there. They had a town hall. We did pretty good down there. We had a bunch of good stuff.
I know, because I
That's
got to
cool.
write it down
Yeah.
and then keep track of
Yeah,
what it all was.
Oops, sorry. In the way.
No, you're not in the way. I'm just don't want to get sprinkled on. Still hiding under here. Oh, this is a sturdy desk. All 3 of us are
Hey, you guys have a good
Yeah,
day.
you too.
That would really prove it.
I got one. Look at
Oh, look at you.
in fake.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Here's the Ranger to go with it, Jetson. There's a Mandalorian too. You can buy those over there.
Yeah.
Where are they?
Pier 1.
Are they? Nice. I thought I heard you say Ray Dunn.
He's out there already.
Oh, I heard Ray Dunn, so I was like, oh, those are... Oh, heck yeah. How much is that?
I don't know. Let's get ready. So what is your little...
Your blow up?
Okay.
What's that thing, Jetson?
It's a fidget. What is that? Looks like.
Yeah, Power Rangers. I thought so. Pretty neat.
What's it?
Oh, Michael Kors purse back there, is it? Or no, it's MM.
Daddy.
What's that? Where's dollar thing? Here, that was on that, must be. Come on. Oh, what this is. World's first Alexa-enabled car charger. I don't know. Anchor picture on there, too. Anything else you want? Hi, Pop. How are you? Yeah, change for 20?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Hi. Oh, aren't you? No, just sniffs, huh? No pets, just sniffs.
Oh, Papa Shay.
Thank you. Appreciate it. We're not getting those. You don't need
This is
walkie-talkies.
like the
We just got
mount
some.
it holds on your phone to the dash, and this must be wireless.
Yeah, Alexa of some
And
sort.
it
I don't know what it
charges
does though.
I think it's a charger.
I don't know. It says it's Alexa,
Yeah,
which means you
Alexa
talk to it and
charger.
stuff. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know much about it.
You probably can figure this out.
No, I can look at. I don't know. Here, Jers, take this. Oh, he wants me to look at that. Out of the way. No. She wants me to check this thing. I don't know if it'll work with your car or my car. It's probably older. No idea. Hands-free calling. So, yes, throw it in her car maybe for calling. If it's like a speaker thing. She'd have put this app on it, I guess. Grab it. I guess we're gonna take this too.
One's named Lemmy and the other name is Emil.
Thank you. It was 5. Ready, bud? Some kind of strap thing. I don't know.
Not for your arm. Almost identical.
That's funny. Oh, bluey bucket. So yeah. Let me see.
These Crocs are cool. If you want.
Oh yeah. Just trying to figure out what you're looking at.
These are Crocs too.
Yeah. These are women's 8s. Those are 9s. These are 8s. Kind of cool.
How much are your Crocs?
Fans.
What, buddy? Oh, yeah, I know. You have enough of those. Yeah, it's neat. You stop. Burp cloths. Burp cloths. Remember you made all those?
Remember to show that.
She'd like that. She'd like that. Got a couple ones? I don't.
What?
Got up in 52.